Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Guys, we are flying out to Dubai for Christmas holiday, for almost a month.
Yes.
But the plot twist is like this. He's flying economy because he blew up his account and I'm flying business class, guys. So make sure to keep proper risk management, guys.
Proper risk management.
We shall see you in the airport, guys. Guys, I'm through check-in now. I'm going in for immigration. Guys, as you can see, we've already checked in.
What's next?
Just boarding the plane. So I'm going to leave him in his economy. We're gonna see. So guys, right now I'm in the business lounge and I've left Yaga in the economy lounge. So I'm going to do some working, just looking mostly back testing because remember the market's open. As you can see, guys, I'm going to be back testing. Obviously waiting for the market open. I have to keep on working. Even though I'm traveling, I have to keep on working. So guys, as you can see, this is the business lounge. Guys, this is what you need to know about liquidity. Look at this. This is liquidity. You see this? This is liquidity right here. Look at that. Nice buy. Wow. I'm waiting for my plane. So as I was waiting for my plane, I had water, I had fruits, I had tea. This is why I love flying with business class. There is a lot of comfort. I can say this is too big. So my flight leaves in the next 1 hour. Yeah, so I'll see my boy Yaga in Dubai because I don't think if I'll see him when we're boarding. Because most of the business guys first before the economy. But anyway, guys, all I can say, make money on making money, make extra money and afford business because there is a lot of comfort and services that comes with flying business. As Steve Harvey said, fly business of first class so that you can stimulate your mind to work harder. But anyway, guys, I'll see you on the plane probably. I need to show you how the business class looks like.
You got your lines to Dubai, flight you are 444 is now pre-boarding
Flight time.
number 3.
Guys, we're boarding right now. Right now, let's go. Yo, what's good, guys? So right now I've already boarded the plane. As you can see, guys, I'm in the business class. They gave me this to use while I'm on here. This is Uganda Airlines, as you can see. Then headsets, as you can see, and then the big blankets, you can see. I think one thing I like about the business class is the comfort is crazy. Like, your head isn't going to pain. The last time I was in the economy, I was so uncomfortable. Like, I wouldn't sleep. Like, put my neck inside of this side, So guys, keep on watching. These guys were trying to give me alcohol. Me, I said I don't drink alcohol. I just drink water. Anyway, guys, make sure to subscribe if you're enjoying this video. I wanted to go to the economy and first say hi to Yaga, but let me see if when the plane starts, when the plane goes into air, I'll see if I can go and say hi to Yaga. But anyway, guys, make sure to subscribe. Guys, spending an extra money to be the business class is not something that is bad. Right now, I'm looking around the businessmen that are in this business class is crazy. Literally, you can make $1 million deal right now in the business class just because you paid the extra.
A few moments later.
The entire team, I thank you for choosing United Airlines. We look forward to welcoming you on board very soon. Thank you. Have a nice day in Dubai.
Landed at Dubai International Airport, and the local time here is exactly 22 minutes past the hour of 5 a.m.
Touchdown Dubai, guys. I'm waiting in Dubai right now. This summer I'm waiting for Yaga. Touchdown Dubai. Me and my boy have arrived in Dubai. It's 7 a.m. something. Yeah. So super tired. Right now, I just headed out to the Airbnb where we'll be staying. But guys, make sure to subscribe.
Hit that like button, please, and share the video. Yeah.
Awesome stuff are coming in.
Wait for it.
Imagine being picked up from the airport in I don't know how much this car is, but I probably
This car should be at least 300 mil.
No, back home it costs like $1 billion. Back home.
$1 billion?
Yeah, but this is like a new model, you know? But anyway, guys, all I can say, keep trading. Your win is just around the corner. Like, you can't really, don't give up. Like, just keep on trading. Keep proper risk management, and everything will fall in place. Your win is just around the corner.
Habibi.
My guy.
Yalla.
Thank you, man.
Thank you, sir. That is your tip.
Yo guys, we just got into Dubai and we have checked into our Airbnb. As you can see, this is the one. It looks dope. Look at that, guys. Very nice. Look at this. This is in Dubai Marina. You know? We have the same screen you have in your house.
In an Airbnb.
It's very smooth, guys. I'm going to record a lot of content. Right now we're tired. We're going to
Fast sleep.
take a nap. 8 hours. I need to sleep for 8 hours, guys. So make sure to subscribe, guys. Make sure to subscribe because a lot is coming in. A lot.
You're a big man too. Walk like a dog. Eat life like a king.
And remember,
Bro,
your
my dreamer.
win is just around the corner. Look at those cars. Look at that.
Look at the cars, bro. Just look at this, man. This is money.
That's a G63 right there. G63. Anyway, guys, my dream now is to own property.
Here.
Period. Property in Dubai.
We have to get there.
Guys, make sure to subscribe and we shall see you in the next